We have the management at Jindal SAW now with us, Neeraj Kumar, Group CEO and whole-time director at Jindal SAW. Sir, thank you so much for taking out time for us. Stellar set of numbers continue for the company. Let's talk about the average realization, which aided the top line in this particular quarter.
This quarter, yesterday we had our board meeting and we have posted a very strong Q1 results. This is on the back of a good order book, which is driven by the domestic orders, essentially in the oil and gas sector, also in the seamless business where we are doing well, and the pellet prices have also strengthened on back of the iron ore prices strengthening. So largely they have contributed to a very strong growth, and we expect that this momentum would continue through the year.
Last few months have seen tremendous volatility as far as commodity prices like iron ore, coking coal, which you use, are concerned. How will that impact the margins?
As a company, we have a robust strategy to hedge ourselves against key raw materials, especially coal, iron ore, because we have long-term contracts. And that's how we have been able to manage or hedge ourselves against this volatility. However, in Q1, one thing has definitely impacted us, which is the weakening of the Indian rupee against the dollar, which is reflected in the financial charges going up for the quarter.
Hi, Mr. Kumar. Good afternoon. This is Nantara from the New Delhi studio. Tell me a bit about how your export business performed. What percentage of revenues actually came from the export business? It's not been a good time for exporters. Now there's an anti-dumping duty also on Indian pipes. What is your outlook also going forward? Give us some forward commentary.
See, the Q1 result has largely been driven by the domestic orders. The exports are beginning to pick up. However, it's important to clarify that the anti-dumping duty in US, that is not impacting Jindal SAW in any significant manner, because US is too far away from India, and from a freight perspective, that's anyway not a key market for us. Most of our exports is in the MENA region.
What about the oil and gas business, Mr. Kumar? A third of your revenues comes from the oil and gas back. What's been the impact on the higher crude oil prices on your business? What about the order for visibility? Throw some color on that.
Yeah, improved oil prices or a stability in oil prices impacts the entire MENA region, because as you know, they are all oil-driven economy. And once the oil prices are stable at a certain minimum level, then their infrastructure spending goes up. So that's how we expect the export market in the MENA region to strengthen based on the stability in the oil prices.
What is the expectation for FY19? Any volume, sales targets, growth targets that you would want to share with our viewers?
You have already seen Q1 growth, which is very robust. And as I mentioned, we do have fair visibility of how the year is going to pan out. This momentum is going to continue, and we are hopeful of a good result at the end of the year.
Let's leave it at that, Mr. Kumar. Always a pleasure chatting with you. That stock is up by about 0.7%, trading at about $87 a piece at the moment. Well,